With car accidents happening more frequently on our roads, resulting in unnecessary injuries and the possibility of paying out higher insurance premiums, our viewers' concerns are growing. Here to talk to us about some of those concerns is Carter Mario, attorney at Carter Mario Injury Lawyers based out of Connecticut, whose practice focuses heavily on auto accidents. Carter, thanks so much for being with us today.
Well, thanks for having me here, Kim.
Now, what are the main reasons car accidents happen?
I think all the reasons are pretty much similar, actually. It's just people not paying attention, just their minds on other things, their job, their kids, their coffee, their makeup, whatever the case may be, just people not paying attention.
So exactly what type of compensation can the victim of a car accident recover?
Well, there's a few different things that a person is entitled to under our laws, and you probably have heard about most of them, but it's people that are wanting compensation for their injuries and their physical impairments. People want their medical bills paid, people want their car fixed, and so forth. But most of the cases that we handle have to do with people getting hurt.
Now, if an insurance adjuster wants to settle and says, I don't need a lawyer, should I still get one?
Oh, absolutely. It's a car accident case in Connecticut is not something that anybody wants to handle on their own. In fact, although the insurance company would like you to think that you can handle it on your own, the insurance company did a survey years ago that showed that a person who has a lawyer or hires a lawyer, on the average, recovers 3.5 times more money than a person who handles it on their own. So the insurance company would like people to handle the cases on their own, but it's something that you really ought to hire a lawyer to handle.
Now, hiring a lawyer can seem intimidating. How hard or easy is the process, and how much does it cost?
Well, Kim, most of the time people get hurt, and they're psychologically or emotionally upset because of the accident, and so the whole process can be intimidating. We think that we've taken most of that fear out of the process. We have a very customer-driven atmosphere in our office, in our culture. We make it very easy for an injured person to call us, to hire us, and we handle everything after the call. As far as the cost, we have a no-fee guarantee, which means simply if we do not recover any money for you with regard to your claim, you do not pay us anything.
Carter, thanks so much for speaking with us today.
Thank you for having me.
For the eXp News Network, I'm Kim Hessel.